A small joke. If there is a power cut in an American house, he reaches his toolbox to see what the problem is. If there is a power cut in a Japanese house, he immediately calls to his distribution company to find out what the problem is. But in India, if there is a power cut, we immediately start looking to our neighbor's house to see whether they have the power cut too or not. Sorry, no offenses. This is just a joke, but related to our topic. Why we do this is our technology is still developing, the same way that our economy is still developing. We rely on global powers for investments and so we are reactive to the sentiments too. So, while we start analyzing scripts and indices to trade, keeping intraday in mind particularly, I think it is a good idea to start with global markets condition. What do you say? Of course, on events like our internal special earnings, stimulus packages, etc., we have our own sentiments. But if there are no such internal exciting factors, we tend to factor the global cues and their effect on Indian markets, which happens most of the times. So, in this video, let us see, as an Indian intraday trader, what global markets to track, to be precise, which global indices to track, their timings, and also some sources where we can easily track these global indices easily. Hi viewers, Namaste. Welcome to the world of Get Trading. Okay, our market opens at 9:15 am. At the same time, some global markets are already opened, some opened and closed while we are sleeping in the night, and some will open in middle of our trading hours. Let us check the important ones. The important global markets to track are USA, UK, China, and Singapore. These are the important ones. To make you aware of the timings of them in our IST, Indian Standard Time, I have made this graph type, each line for every 2 hours. Let's start with India. The most active of our Bharat Mata markets is National Stock Exchange, isn't it? And we mostly track Nifty 50 index in this. Opening and closing timings are 9:15 am to 3:30 pm. In this same manner, let us see for others. UK, United Kingdoms. Important exchange is London Stock Exchange, LSE, and we follow FTSE 100, Financial Times Stock Exchange 100 Index. This helps us to know the sentiments of European countries at a glance. Metal stocks are more responsive to these markets. Next is pharma. Our pharma base is in UK too, right? Okay. This exchange opens at 8 am in UK timing and in our timing it is 1:30 pm. Within the brackets is our time and outside the brackets is the local time. And the closing time is 4:30 pm in UK and in our time 10 pm. Next, United States of America. Nasdaq is the exchange we need to track and Nasdaq Composite is the index we need to track. There is one more exchange called New York Stock Exchange and we can track Dow Jones and S&P in them. Okay, we know USA as a global supreme power, of course, as of now. USA market's impact is more on almost every country market. One reason is that the global currency is dollar and this mainly depends on US markets. IT sector and pharma sector of Indians are more reactive on USA markets. Energy sector, mainly crude and some scripts based on crude oil react to these USA markets. These two exchanges opens at 9:30 am in their time and in our time 7 o'clock in the evening. Those who trade crude oil will know this. Around 7 pm the liquidity rises sharp and most of the times movement too. This is because US markets open at that time. Closing time is 4 pm in USA timings and in our timings early morning 1:30 am. There is one more thing, ADRs, which means American Depository Receipt. US retailers can speculate in non-US companies. They can also earn dividends by doing so. US financial institution approaches non-US companies and buy shares at bulk and reissue to investors at their stock exchanges. Our Indian companies like Infosys, ICICI, HDFC, Tata Motors are traded there. So, after our markets are closed and there is some huge news after that, there comes a movement in these ADRs of those exchanges, which will also give us a hint about our market reaction next day. To wind up, same like crude oil which we trade in MCX takes crude WTI price into consideration, we can in some times take these ADRs into consideration too. Next, coming to our east and our continent, China. The main stock exchange is Shanghai Stock Exchange. Index to track is SSC Composite. China, number 2 in global power and first in our Asian country. We can know our Asian sentiments better with this market. China needs more use of copper, and so copper in commodity and scripts related to copper also reacts to these markets. China markets open according to their time at 9:30 am. In our time, 7 am. And closing time according to their time is 3 pm. They'll have a lunch session too from 11:30 am to 1 pm. Anyways, they close at 3 pm in their time, which in our time is 12:30 pm. To sum up till now, European markets respond to US markets, Chinese markets respond to these two markets, and our Indian markets respond to these three. When we can predict our movement with these, why to leave this analysis tool, isn't it? So, better track this. Next, Singapore. The stock exchange Singapore has is SGE, Singapore Stock Exchange. No need to track anything there except SGX Nifty. Yes, they trade our Nifty. In Singapore, our Nifty is listed in futures market where locals there and some FIIs trade there. It opens in the timings at 9 am. In our time, 6:30 am, well before our exchanges open. Okay, now tell me, assume that one fine day we close our Nifty at 11,000 and the next day morning SGX opens at 10,900. In our time, 6:30 am. So, can we say that we can notice this and predict that our Nifty may also gap down and opens in and around 10,900? To be more precise, the SGX Nifty value in and around 8 to 8:30 am is taken into consideration by most of the investors. I don't say that this happens all of the time, but at least we got the tool, right? You may still have doubt who trades this SGX Nifty. Those who have interest in our Indian markets but have no access to our markets due to government policies and all, trade there in SGX Nifty. Also, some people who are exposed to our economy by some means or other use this for hedging. So, there are serious investors there and thus we can consider the sentiments. Anyways, according to Singapore timings, 9 am to 6:10 pm morning session and 6:40 pm to next day 5:15 am is the evening session. They trade day and night without any difference. Okay, in our Indian timings, 6:30 am to the next day 2:45 am is the time our Nifty is traded there. Now, let us see where can we track this. Those who are using FIRES 1 can see the world markets in the same pace where they trade. And so with ADR 2. Buy to buy. If you haven't opened your account with FIRES Securities, the fastest growing discount stockbroker, consider opening an account through us. To do it, please click on the link in the description box below and submit your details in the page opened. Okay, another website to track this is Trading Economics. In this website, the right side section belongs to the global markets. In Money Control 2, here right side belongs to global markets. Here you can track SGX Nifty too. This viewers, I recommend you to take a screenshot of this and view now and then for your quick reference. Please subscribe to our channel to watch videos of this kind. Have a happy, safe and profitable trading. Jai Hind.